Yeah. Morning guys, I have literally just woke up. I sound like trash. I probably look like trash. But yeah, it's just been a god awful week. I shouldn't really say that, but it's been a really bad week. Just really tired really. It's been a good week in other aspects, but it's been a long week, so work has been long and tiring and I'm just kind of like over it. And it's less the workload and more just how tedious and difficult and petty and annoying everything is. That's one. I was at work, I got a call like, could you come down and get something? I was like, oh, okay. And I've never had flowers sent to work before, so that was really, really, really thoughtful from like an admirer. Now, got home quite late, but today there's a wedding and it's another wedding. So it's a, I don't know what to call them. They're outfits and materials and colour schemes sorted. So I've got my dress. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to the wedding. Oh, I really hope I get a chance to show you guys what I'm wearing. I really, really hope so. I complain about other people being late and I'm like always late. This is a problem. But to be honest, what took so long is straightening this beautiful hair. Don't ask me, I've got this on because I just want to keep the fun of it out of my face, but I've laid it down pretty well. I'm just trying to keep it out of my face, that's why it's like that. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to do purple on the eyes, but I would like to do that because I think it just kind of adds to the whole look really. So I'm gonna prime my eyes as I usually do and blend. So usually I would use my foundation color to set on top of the eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base that I use, but because I really want these colors to pop as much as possible, I've gone in with this £2.50 setting powder from Primark. It literally does look like the Ben Nye banana powder. It probably isn't the same quality, but at this moment in time it's doing the trick. It's mattifying my lids. I'm pretty happy with what's going on here. Just at the top there to blend underneath the brow. I'll leave it to the end and see. So what I'm going to first do is go in my crease with this colour, like I said initially. Sienna, which is this colour right here, and kind of centre that a little bit just below what I just did with the brownie colour. Alright, one more time, just gonna go with Mulberry now, and again I'm focusing just that little bit more. Maybe I should even change my brush. No, I'm not going to. Literally gonna take that and focus it in just a little bit more again. Alright guys, so I've just tried my cut crease. I know it looks pretty even on camera. When I say even, I never need it to go round even. I just need the top to be even. So I'm gonna just leave this to kind of air dry. Let's see if I can just... And I'm glad it's coming up really well on camera. That is more or less the colour that it is. I'm just gonna pat that into the cut crease. Sorry if you guys can't see me. So because I don't really like this colour, I've just changed my mind a little bit. It was meant to go all over that cut crease, but I'm just going to centre it a little bit and then go in with a lighter colour after. Which is unfortunate because it looked like a really pretty colour. Yeah, so whatever. I'm going to do that and then I'm going to go in with... No, not this, it's all this. I'm gonna go in with my Take Me to Brazil palette in this shade. I've kind of done it, but I've not finished. I'm going to go in with this colour called Flash by Urban Decay. So that's my cut crease done. I'm happy with it. It's just that one of my cut creases is more distinct, that one, than this one. I'm trying to make them alike. It's not quite working out, well, you know. So I now want to go in right down here with this colour from my Take Me to Brazil palette. Alright guys, so if you can see what I've gone and done, because the right eye had a bit of a halo right here, I've just gone in with my concealer again, or my eye, my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and literally just made a little line here to make them both quite distinct. And now I'm pretty happy. I went in with that dark purple, but I used this brush instead. I think the pigment's just not very good of that particular shade. As a whole, it's a very, very good palette, but that particular shade, I think it's just not very good. But I'm pretty happy with what I've got so far, and so I'm gonna take this off. So guys, my mum has just called me that the church is running late, like it's like 4 o'clock. And I'm like, yes! I shouldn't be happy that something's running late, like not, especially not a wedding, but it means that I'm late, but I'm not late. Consider, ooh, really messed up mine. I think I need to do my neck because I don't think it's blended in. If anybody has an idea for a foundation that's really, really good, something that I might like, that's easily blendable. I don't need it to last because I will always mattify. I just need it to be like water basically, but still be nice, like still blend and all of that stuff. Ooh, I just had an idea. There's a colour that I really, really love, because I don't know, the eye look is really nice, but it looks a little bit flat. So I'm gonna go with this like slight red. It looks red, but it's like a reddy pink. It's very beautiful. And I'm gonna go with this fluffy brush. But what I'm going, I'm going with my all over face powder and do this highlight step again, because so I put on my liquid liner, my mascara. This hair has just got all these little flyaways. It is doing my head in. I'm just gonna put some hardening spray on the comb. And I'm gonna use this Oh My gloss from oh my god, who is this? Rimmel. Oh, and another, oh, they're both Oh My glosses, but this one's kind of like a pinky, cute, up to 6 hours stay. It's called My Eternity. And the other one is completely clear, but I want to put it on top of this one, because I literally want a lip glosses popping sort of look. But yeah, so this is the look, guys. It's beautiful eye, nice lips. Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe, like please, and share with your friends, and let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, sorry about the mess in my closet, but here is the dress. So stunning. That's why I have this sort of eye look. So yeah, I'm really excited, guys, and to be honest, I'm gonna try and take you guys with me for the first time and vlog and see if I can get like some really good like images and stuff. Oh, perfume, spray their armpits as well, because I do. But I also spray my hair, because when you walk past, it stays and people are like, oh, who's that girl? La 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 la. This lighting is so cold. Anyway, alright, I'll see you guys soon.